welcome to week 6 of the vlog. Look who we found! It's the English muffins! And Jordan. There he is. Woohoo! Off to the lake. Alright, our journey on the west side of the Mississippi is now ending. Here we go. Where are we at? We're in Dubuque. Dubuque. Is that Iowa or Illinois?
Illinois. I don't know. Iowa. We're on the border of Iowa and Illinois.
I wonder if this isn't really this really isn't view worthy, but I guess it's noteworthy that we are now crossing the border. Well, I'm wondering if this is the border. Right, so glad you've been tuning into the vlog, and what you'll be seeing now is Chicago, Indiana, Michigan, then we're gonna go off to New York, so we'll be all up in the New England area for the next month or so. So here we go. Oh yeah, look. You're now entering Illinois. And yes, I call it Illinois because I'm Anna and I like to be sarcastic. I do know it is Illinois. Please don't message me or comment and correct me. Thanks, love you, bye! Hey friends, fun update. So shared how Alchemizing Judgment was coming out. Super excited. And it is, and it has. And I'd love to talk about Resistance for a second because damn, I was up late last night, so July 31st I was talking to you about being all excited, and then DeQwan sent over all the documents that we needed, and I was up, you know, from like midnight to 2 trying to get the video to upload to first Weebly, our website host, and it was not functioning. It would upload, the internet was not working, then it would not upload, then it would upload, and then not show up, and I was getting so stressed out. And then I called Rhonda and was like, you gotta fix this, like try something else, try on your, because my internet was super sketch. And then we tried it on Kajabi, which is our other hosting platform where we host our online community and all of that. And so we were able to upload it onto Kajabi, and the stress of just trying to get it to be up and available completely like took the wind out of my sails to now promote it. I think it's like 5 p.m. on Sunday, August 1st, and I still haven't gone online to say it's live because I'm like stressed of whether it's gonna work or not. And I really felt, like I said yesterday, about behind the scenes and being straight up about like the development of the business is, I think a lot of people think because I make it look good or because it looks like refined and I'm always out there and producing content every day is that it's like easy or I have it better or I'm better at it. And that is just not true. And I'd really like to say so, because I think a lot of us fool ourselves about why not to get started because it's hard, because we run into a roadblock, because we have technical issues, because we have internet issues, because we have financial issues, because we have we can come up with anything. I always like to say the devil don't play fair. He will give you everything and the kitchen sink to throw everything at you to have you not follow your calling, your passion, your dreams, and fulfill what you know you're here to do. Just saying so. Because I have people that are excited about it. We have a couple purchases, but the problem was like they were purchasing from Weebly and it was available on Kajabi, so I had to resend it on Kajabi. And I was just like, ugh, my brain is cramped. I napped in the middle of the day, mostly just to like kind of try to recover from this and share and bounce back. But I do want to say, one, it's not always sunshine and roses. It's not always simple and easy. And then we go to church today, and the sermon is about how the devil distracts us. And I'm trying to go in order. It was about distractions, so that in general was the message. And one of the distractions is doubt. Worry. It wasn't 3Ds. It was worry. So then when we doubt, then we start to worry, then we get disempowered or discouraged, and we quit and we walk away and we go home and we give up on our dreams, or we give up on our calling. And I just want to share that sermon with you, because today I woke up, I was up, like I said, till probably 3, really, because I couldn't sleep because I was bummed and frustrated and worried. I wanted Rhonda to wake up and use her internet and help and all of that. And she got it up. We were on the phone before church and she was able to get it up, and we were able to get our clients the video. And, I still do hope you check it out. I'll drop a link in this video comment section, but it's awesome. I watched it. And the last thing I want to say about that is I've been very significant about this video. We've worked so hard on it for so many years that I want it to go well. And I'm being so significant that my doubt and my worry and my disempowerment, my discouragement is actually the thing manifesting these obstacles. So I really want to say, so I'm also sweating, is that any sort of negative fears and doubt and concern do catch momentum and then manifest in our life as these barriers. So in a sense, we have to take responsibility for that, because it can really, it's like chicken or the egg. What comes first, like the obstacle or the doubt that causes the obstacle, or the doubt caused by the obstacle? And we can just spin in that instead of, you know what? Regardless, I remember saying to Tim on the way to church, I was like, I am willing for this to work out. I am willing to be seen. I'm willing to have this project out in the world. I'm willing to find out. I'm willing to fail. I'm willing to be disappointed. But you can't you can't succeed if you are not willing to fail. It might sound cheesy. You might have heard it 100 times, but I think it's important to hear again and again and again, because we just want to hit home runs, but are afraid to hit a foul ball and strike out and have to go sit back on the bench and think about that, right? And I have failed uncountable amount of times in order to succeed the way that I'm succeeding now. And like, this ain't nothing, right? Like, this has nothing to do with nothing about the video not going up today. Like, who cares if I miss the deadline, really, right? Or I even messaged some of the clients who got the video and said, like, hey, we're running into some snags. We will get it to you. Stay tuned. And they're like, yeah, sure, fine, no problem. Right? Like, it's all good. It's really all good. There's nothing that's like urgent or important that it has to stir this up in us. But it's really about, and I was even thinking of today's mic drop, is like, we mostly just procrastinate and delay on our success because we're afraid of being like responsible or busy or whatever relationship we have with success. And that's kind of, there's layers and layers and layers of it, but I just wanted to, I really could give you a whole sermon about doubt and fear and how it stops us, but ultimately we have to notice ourselves, and we have to know that anything that's manifesting in our life is a result of what's going on within us that is mostly unidentified or not nurtured. So I just want to send you some love, because I imagine that if you're watching this, maybe you're getting all inspired to travel and you're still not traveling. Maybe you're getting inspired to start your business and you're not doing that. And I would invite you to look at what's within you, what doubt and worry and discouragement is existing in you that's stopping you from just moving forward, right? So I'm at Starbucks. I'm about to go get to my happy place and zone in, and also finish working on a book, not finish it, but work on a couple chapters. And there's just some things that I have to do that I'm like letting snowball and set me back and sit me down and have me like just thinking about how busy I am, as opposed to just going and getting busy and getting it done. So, took my nap, hit the reset button, deciding to come to you first because this stuff gets me amped up. I love talking. So I'm going to go in there. We're going to tackle some stuff. We're going to have some fun. We're going to get this available to everybody. So you guys please head to abigailgazza.com. It's probably just on the shop tab. If you just jet over to the shop tab, it's $4.99. It's an awesome... Ooh, it's not going to be on the shop tab. I'll create a link for it. Yes, it will. Go to abigailgazza.com/shop and you will be able to grab Alchemizing Judgment's documentary. I think it's 27 minutes. Super inspiring, super exciting. And also, obviously very educational. It's about alchemizing judgment and being your best self. So go do be your best self. Love you. Bye.